So hello, my name is Bruno and I'm the creator of API Mock-In. The concept behind API Mock-In is to create mocks for your HTTP APIs. Some people might ask, what is a mock? So a mock is basically a fake response for your calls. So if you have a request for an API, for example, you can, instead of pointing to the real implementation, you can just point to API Mock-In, and depending on your configurations on the endpoint and so on, and the methods, it's going to return a fake response pre-configured, which is good for prototyping, or if you have dependencies on tasks between front-end and back-end and you need the front-end can advance without the back-end ready, or even if you want to mock or mimic third-party external resources. So let's create a mock. I have to log in my account. Yeah, so as you see, quite simple. So I will just create a project here, test project, create a couple of these in the last days. And I will create two mocks, one to get the users and one to get a specific user. So let's say I choose get, so users, the response code for this one, 200, and let's put the real thing. Should be name, my name. So it returns as it would expected, like users would return an array with the users inside, which in this case it's myself. And now let's create one to get a specific users. Bear in mind that there is this wildcard here, which you can put in load dynamic data. So this one, if you put user or test or Bruno, it will identify and just return the mock. So it's good when you have IDs on your requests. So let's put 200 as well, and here the same thing as before. So, and here we go. So two mocks. Right now I can just copy the URL here, go to my terminal, and do the request to it. So as you see, a collection with one object, and I can take the other one, which, as you can see here, is exactly the same, but was like with this wildcard. So I can replace the wildcard with test, for example. Oops, forgot the curl. And it returns exactly what I specified. So that's it. There are a lot of methods and response codes which you can play with. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you really use the service. If you have any feedback, just come and press this button. It's going to open a form. There are just some quick questions. And if you have any question about how I made it, or how do I do something specific, or even if you want to give a more personal feedback, you can just come and click in contact and help. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you use it, and yeah, goodbye.